In this guide, I'll show you how to use a PS5 controller as a microphone for in-game voice chat or party chat. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to select mic at the bottom. Now you want to ensure mic is on wireless controller, and if mute's turned on, make sure this is turned off, and then we're going to go to adjust mic level. Now you want to ensure that this isn't too low, or else your microphone may not be picked up, but you also want to ensure that the mic level isn't too high, or your controller is going to pick up a lot of background noise. So somewhere in the middle is probably good for most people, and you can always adjust this setting. And once you've done this, you can go back. Then you want to press the PlayStation button again, and we're going to select sound beside mic. Now for the output device, you can leave this on TV, and you can make sure your controller speaker's turned up, or you can turn it all the way down. And after you've done this, audio balance will be grayed out. We're going to adjust it though. And you want to ensure mute game voice chat's toggled off. So now you're ready to use voice chat in-game. However, if you want to use party chat, what we're going to do now is go back, and we're going to scroll over and select game base. From here, we're going to scroll down to parties and start a party. Then you can either start an open party or a closed party. I'm just going to select this one. And once you're in your party, scroll over to the three dots, and here you'll be able to adjust the audio balance. So if you want it more focused on voice chat, you can toggle it this way. And if you want it more focused on game, you can toggle it this way. I'm just going to leave it in the middle though. And you want to ensure mute all isn't turned on. So now you're ready for party chat. Now at this point, if you're experiencing issues with voice chat in-game, you'll likely have to adjust the settings for the specific game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.